Hi, I'm Dr. Warren Seiler from Seiler Skin in Birmingham, Alabama. I'm a board-certified cosmetic laser surgeon specializing solely in laser and injection procedures, and I want to welcome you to one of our Vampire PRP training seminars. I get a lot of questions about the seminars that we offer, and so I thought I would answer some of these for you. The first one is about the itinerary and the certification of this course. So the course that I offer is the same certification course that you can get with Dr. Runels. I've worked with Dr. Runels for years, and I'm one of his trainers. And so this covers all of the vampire procedures, the vampire facial and facelift, the vampire breast and hair, and the O and the pshot. These are all procedures that involve platelet-rich plasma. This is a certifying course that will certify you to correctly and effectively and safely provide these procedures to your patients. Another question that I commonly get is how much hands-on is there in this training? So there's really a lot of hands-on in the 2-day training that we do here. That's usually a big concern, that you're going to spend a lot of time and money away and not really feel comfortable coming out of a training knowing how to provide these procedures. So we split these trainings up into 2 days, half day each for each set of procedures. So you get a didactic lecture, question and answer session, and then we do a lot of procedures on each other and on people that you bring and on patients that we provide. This course is a little special compared to some others. My practice really specializes in facial filler and injections, so you really get a very advanced training, especially in the PRP or vampire facelift. I think this is where I'm a little different than some others in the fact that I really focus on using multiple different fillers in the face. So I've kind of taken the vampire facelift to a whole new level. So you'll get a lot of facial injection experience in addition to all the other procedures, but you get plenty of all of it. I also get asked if you have to have any experience in this. Surely the more experience you have, the more you may take away from this. But we've trained a lot of people that are very new to injections and cosmetic procedures, and we've trained people that are very experienced in the cosmetic field. So it's really a little bit of everything. I think it's good for both the beginner and somebody that's much more advanced, that's looking to really just perfect their craft. For a small fee, you can bring a staff member to get treated. That staff member can listen to the education throughout the entire weekend if they're not someone that's going to be being trained to perform the procedures. It's also great to bring that person so that you can see the after effects and the results of the procedures when that person goes home with you. There's great information on our website. You can email us at training@seilerskin.com. We can tell you all about where to stay. There's a great hotel that we have a relationship with across the street, so you can stay very close. The airport's very easy to get in and out of. I always get asked about when to come in and go. I would say the best thing to do is to come in on a Thursday night so that we can start first thing in the morning. And we do a lot of hands-on procedures after the seminar's over with on Saturday afternoon. Sometimes we've stayed here until even 9 o'clock doing procedures until everybody's really comfortable that they've gotten enough hands-on. So I would strongly encourage you to stay until Sunday. I can say personally, I've taken 2 of Dr. Runels' courses in the past when I first started doing these procedures. Even though I'm surgically trained and had a lot of experience with platelet-rich plasma, it was amazing what these training courses offered and how much they've helped me change my practice. So I'm really excited to provide the same level of training to you. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, and hopefully we'll see you at one of our seminars.